Hey guys, what's going on? So today you're on a little GoPro. We're going to do a little POV drive of, not of my F30, of my E30. It's gotten to the point where it can run and drive decent. It is still one hell of a project. Yeah, as you can kind of see, the exhaust is on the ground. It's not supposed to be on the ground. So let's crack this open. I'll show you the engine real quick. There's the good old M20 engine. It runs and drives pretty decent. So yeah, let's go for a ride. So as you can see, the interior is still not put together. There's a massive hole right there. Fumes come in through there. So yeah, it's full of parts and stuff, but you know, let's get this thing started. I fixed the exhaust with some chicken wire. I just wrapped it around so it doesn't scrape on the floor anymore, so that seems to be fixed and not scraping. I'm happy about that. Ventilation works now. Yeah. Fifth. All right. All the gears work. That's good. My brakes work somewhat. You got to pump them a few times, but you know, it's all right. Guys, I think that's it for today. But yeah, this thing is such a hoot to drive. So yeah, that was just a little drive around the air park right here. I got it up to probably about 45, which is honestly the fastest I've ever taken it. I mean, you know, it is very much still a project. I got to put the interior back together. I got to weld something right here. But yeah, I've done all the major stuff. Like I said in my update video, and the hood goes up like this. Come on, that's incredible. So yeah, that's probably, I will do more of these in the future. But yeah, always remember, respect your elders. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'm lightheaded from the exhaust. That's okay. Yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See y'all next time.